Welcome everybody in the Subnautica, and in today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how to change the master volume in this game, so stay with me and watch the full video. Enjoy! So like always we have to at first open the options. In the first tab in general we have to scroll down to the bottom of these settings, and in here we have a sound tab. The first option will be a master volume, and this slider is responsible for master volume. You can set it up to your own preferences, how you want to hear your game. So that will be all for this video. I hope you like it, and if you do, then leave a comment and subscribe to our YouTube channels. Thank you, goodbye.